Hello, trading is closed on the 14th of June 2016. Yesterday we had a MEJT target of 2092.22. I said there was an increased risk of failure and that if we gapped under the low that probably wouldn't print. So that's what happened. During the day, MEJT gave a sell signal here and that worked. It said this drop was a false move and that prices should recover. Here's the target. We actually did a bit beyond that and actually stopped right at the MEJT resistance area. No new MEJT targets. Well, I have mixed indicators. Let's go over them, but let's mention first that there is an FOMC announcement tomorrow. I think trading those is too risky for me. You can get some huge moves, huge whipsaws, and while it's fun to speculate, I think there are less risky places, less risky times to take a chance with your money. But let's look at what's positive and let's look at what's negative. We gapped down, hit a series of lower lows. Not only couldn't hold on to any of the lows, we couldn't even hold on to this high. That's a strong reversal formation. All we have to do is confirm it by moving up tomorrow. Arguing against that is this trend line. The break here meets DeMark's criteria for sustainability, giving us a target of 1917.5. All we need is confirmation, which means if we gap up and never retrace, this break does not count. So we have conflicting indicators. Typically, the commonest thing when that happens is we gap or at least move quickly outside of the day's range. Unless proven otherwise, by proven otherwise I mean quickly taking out these lows. To me, today's action is a rejection of the break of this trend line. What's also interesting is we have a possible count of 5 waves down, and if that is the count, and of course nobody knows at this time, and you set wave 1 equal to 38.2% and wave 3 equal to 61.8%, then wave 5 equals 100%, suggesting a completed pattern. If so, we should be in for 3 waves up, and I can't count 3 waves up from here. So we have a potential reversal formation. I think it'll be clear early on what's going to happen. We have a VIX reversal day outside of the upper Bollinger Band. All we need to do is drop into the range of the bands tomorrow to give a buy signal. I think there's a very good chance that we move up right from the open, promptly take out this high, have a good rally day, and these targets remain in play. And if I'm wrong, it should be obvious from the open by quickly taking out these lows. But for now, I don't think that's the most likely scenario, but the overall pattern is so negative here, I really can't rule it out. And this isn't a trade I would like to carry overnight. So we look for a quick move outside of the day's range. I have a slight predilection for the move being higher, but I'm not married to that prediction. We'll have to see how we open. And that's today's call.